Life needs now a place for everyone. Welcome to the future of learning. A place built not for privilege but for possibility. Where knowledge opens the doors to a better life. This is Life Needs Now. Where education meets real life. Where opportunity begins the moment you say, "I'm ready." No one is turned away here. Whether you're a student searching for direction, a parent rebuilding a dream, or a mentor ready to give back, you belong. Life Needs Now was created for you. For the everyday person who knows there's more to life than surviving. Here, we teach the skills that build confidence, independence, and purpose. A single human, plus three great forces joined hands. Together, we are the creators for Life Needs Now, and the Bank of Knowledge. A place where students, mentors, and employers connect to build better futures. From kindergarten to careers, it can all start here. Every lesson brings you closer to real opportunities. Knowledge, skills, and same-day work opportunities. Same-day pay options. Employer pre-training and job placement designed around you. Success isn't a someday promise. It's what we deliver each and every day. Today you take complete control of your own destiny. Become part of something bigger than any single program. Together, we're building a world of knowledge, dignity, and shared success. And this is only the beginning. Coming soon, contact Mom, your personal mentor and guide. And the Jobs Board, real work, real pay, real growth. Life Needs Now. And the Bank of Knowledge. Your path to a better life starts here. Choose your path. We will help you reach your destination, one step at a time.